Once upon a time, in a green and peaceful valley, there were two little seeds lying side by side in the soil. The warm sun was shining, and the gentle wind was blowing softly over them. Both seeds were dreaming about their future. The first seed said to herself, "I want to grow. I want to push through the soil and feel the sunshine. I want to spread my roots deep into the earth and drink fresh water. I want to grow tall, stretch my branches, and let the birds build nests on me. I want to give flowers and fruits so children can play under my shade. Yes, I am ready for life." With courage and determination, the first seed began to push through the soil. It was hard. The ground was heavy. Stones tried to stop her, but she pushed harder. Slowly, a tiny green sprout appeared above the ground. The sun smiled at her, the rain gave her water, and the wind whispered encouragement. Day by day, she grew stronger and taller. Soon, she became a beautiful young plant full of life. The second seed, however, thought differently. She whispered to herself, I'm afraid. What if I push through the soil and the sun burns me? What if the rain is too heavy and breaks me? What if animals come and eat me before I grow strong? No. It is better to stay safe in the soil. I'll wait here, hidden and comfortable, instead of taking risks. So, the second seed decided to stay deep inside the ground. She did not try to grow. She did not try to face the sunshine or the rain. She simply waited. But one morning, a hungry chicken came searching for food. As it scratched the ground, it found the second seed lying there, weak and hidden. The chicken gobbled it up in an instant. The second seed never got a chance to grow, never saw the sunshine, never gave shade or fruit. Meanwhile, the first seed grew into a big, strong tree. Children played under her branches, birds sang sweet songs in her shade, and travelers rested under her cool leaves. She was proud and happy because she had chosen courage over fear.